Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Make sure to subscribe in all social media platforms and click the link in the description to have access to our digital course, plus our ebook and other assets that we have in that digital course to help us build our asset column. I just want to talk to you today about the importance of raising capital and creating sales on autopilot using systems. And when we build any type of business, and every business that is successful, that is sound, has to be built, of course, to solve a problem, right, in the market, in the world. And it has to do it in such a way that it's being done on autopilot through systems, okay? Because a business is a system of systems. So that counts sales funnels, raising capital from the front end, from the clients, right? From the end user, meaning that the sales are coming in through the advertising that we have, the landing pages, the leads that we're getting in every single day through our marketing strategies, and organic traffic as well, right? Because we can be creating live streams, podcasts, free ebooks. You can create also an ebook and charge for the ebook. You can also put a tutorial together, right? We can do so many ways that we can create passive income by putting in the effort at the beginning, putting the systems together to solve the problem. We're selling the how-to. So if you're selling digital courses and digital products, often is all about how to do something, right? So we're helping the individual figure out how to do something, and we have it in such an organized way that for them it's so valuable, because information is key in today's age. In this digital age, it's all about how fast we get the relevant information, the updated information, and put it in such a way that is easy to consume so that we can get paid for that organization and the information that we contain in that format, whether it's a PDF, a digital course, it could be a tutorial, anything that we can deliver instantly to the client through one click, because it's a digital product, okay, digital asset. So the focus is to build the asset column every single day with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. It's all about creating content as well that has a great message. I mean, it depends what is your niche. You may have to do content that entertains others. And I think even if you're in a field which we are in here at Master Investor, which is all about money, business, and investing, that's our niche right there. So we have to make it somewhat entertaining for the viewer, but we don't want to keep a false sense that, okay, nowadays can be fun because we have all the tools available, the systems and the smartphones, the computers. We have access to the internet everywhere. So today, becoming wealthy is more fun than ever before because of the tools and the technology that we have access to today. Everyone has the opportunity to create wealth fast using the tools that we have in front of us. It's all about learning how to consume the right data, turning that into knowledge by applying that data into our lives so that we improve our lifestyle. We have to change our habits. If we're not getting the lifestyle that we want, then we need to look at what we're doing on a daily basis. That's why I always recommend everyone in our community to have a schedule in place every single day with tasks to do that are in the best interest for our future. So we need to figure out exactly what we're going to do in the next 24 hours so that we don't waste our time in things that may not be in the best interest or may not be aligned to our goals because maybe you didn't have the roadmap. But it's just that simple at the end of the day. It's creating a roadmap every single day with a schedule that we are going to follow through with so that we can get closer to our goals, to the bigger goals. So we improve every day a little bit and we go to sleep smarter than we were yesterday. That's why I also recommend everyone to learn a new word every day. That means that our vocabulary will expand 365 words per year. That's a lot. You know, at the end of the day, it all counts. After 10 years, you do the math. Remember, words are the most powerful tools humans have ever created. So with the right words, we can raise capital because our sales funnels are working, our ads are bringing in the leads, the targeted leads, right? Because we don't want to be talking to everyone unless everyone needs our product. We want to be talking to a group of people that actually need the product right now, and they decided that they're going to buy it. Even before they met us, we're going to put that product right in front of them because we know that that group of people are the ones that have decided to buy the product. They're looking for a provider, and we're going to put our message so elegant in front of them that they can click, grab, buy, and go, and repeat the process, right? And share with other people as well. Because word of mouth is the best marketing, as we always hear that saying from somewhere, right? If we recommend something to somebody, usually that person don't even question it. They go there and buy it. And we do that all the time. So I always say, if we're going to be doing that anyway, then we need to cash flow on it. We need to capitalize on those relationships. If we're recommending people to other people, that's why we're creating an affiliate program here at Master Investor, where every product that we have on our catalog, if you recommend it to somebody, you will share the link, your unique link with them, and they go into the website, buy whichever product, you're going to earn a commission on that sale. And if it's a subscription product, you will earn a commission every time they make a payment. And we truly stand by that, because it is only right that we share that wealth with everybody, because we are telling everyone, hey, you need to create relationships that are lucrative. And it starts with the communities that you're involved with. Choose the right mentors. There are a lot of great mentors out there that will explain how to create wealth. There are many formulas, okay? So just make sure that you're getting the right information from the right source, because we only have 24 hours. So just study the great people. The formulas of wealth have already been created. And all we're doing here at Master Investor is keeping everything so authentic to the ultra wealthy mindset. Okay, we're literally grabbing the wealthy mindset from the greats and breaking it down in different digital courses, ebooks, and services. And we have literally created a bridge from the poor mindset to the wealthy mindset, so that anybody can walk on that bridge and grab whatever that individual is in need in order to go ahead and cross the bridge all the way to the wealthy mindset and be able to operate on that mindset and create wealth with that mindset, because it's the only way to create true wealth is by having the wealthy mindset. Otherwise, the wealth that you might create will be just an illusion, and it can be gone in any time because it doesn't have the right foundation, the right structure. The infrastructure is weak. And so a lot of people don't treat their businesses like big businesses from the beginning, and they end up losing all their money because it wasn't the money that makes them rich. It's the financial education ultimately that makes us wealthy. So understand the new rules of money. We have an ebook on that, the 10 new rules of money. We have how to build cash flow with the internet, right? Click the link in the description. That's the one that I'm recommending for you to go ahead and have access to, because that ebook right there, it literally gives you 49 chapters with 580 pages of financial education, the history of money, what is money, how is money created, the changes in the law regarding money. It's going to explain the cash flow circle, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, how to put together our cash flow system online fast, how to create our first sales on autopilot. If we never have experienced that, then this course will help us do that. And if we already have an existing business and we would like to expand and create more positive cash flow within that business, or whether it's redirecting that passive income that is already coming from that business into a new asset class, totally different. It could be a new product or it could be a new asset class, right? It depends on what you're into right now. But the whole idea is that you come in here and you focus on building the asset column. So this course is great for anyone, whether you're an attorney, dentist, accountant. If you really want to create wealth, true wealth, you need to understand the new rules of money, the financial education that we're sharing inside of our community and our ebooks, because it will help you operate with a wealthy mindset and create the wealth that you want. Everybody's wealth is different because not everybody wants the same. So it's all about understanding how to make money work hard for us through sound investing, how to raise capital, how to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing, and everything that we need in order to become a wealthy entrepreneur and an inside investor or master investor We have it right here inside of our community. So make sure that you follow us on all social media platforms. Let me know if you're enjoying these talks, because we're doing them every day, not only here on our podcast, but also on YouTube. We have content being delivered in different platforms. So in whichever platform you use, go find us over there, support and keep Master Investor working. We have a newsletter that you can have access for free. When you land on our website, you will have that available to you, and every article or any broadcast email that we'll send, we will deliver that to you so that we can help you improve the asset column ultimately. Our mission at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. And start investing today in your financial education, because with financial education, you can make money work hard for you. So if you have money saved in the bank, then before you start investing that, you need to invest that in your financial education so that you know exactly how to multiply and how to take calculated risk, because investing is always about calculated risk. Everything has a risk, and the more financial education we have, we can manage the risk and we can calculate the risk successfully, because we can read financial statements and we know exactly what the numbers look like. We can measure our return on investment based on facts, based on the financial statement of that business or investment that we're looking into acquiring. It's all about starting creating that cash flow coming in on autopilot. And I always recommend, if you have no assets in your asset column and all you So when you look at the liability column, if all you have is liabilities and things that take money away from your pocket, then we need to figure out if any of those liabilities can be turned into an asset. A lot of times, some of them can, but you need to approach it with a wealthy mindset. And remember, every liability that we have on our liability column is somebody else's asset, their asset column, or a company, could be an entity. A lot of times it's an entity. So your car belongs to a car dealership, and that car dealership has a loan, or you have a loan with the bank. And so at the end of the day, that liability is somebody else's asset, but it can also be your asset when you have financial education, and you can apply that into that liability, and you can turn that quickly into an asset that produces you positive cash flow. And of course, the other person will keep that as an asset as well on their asset column. Nothing changes on their end. As long as they're getting the payments and you're creating cash flow, they don't care if it's your liability or an asset. So focus on building that asset column. There's nothing wrong with having liabilities as long as we have assets that are producing passive income and capital gains income to take care of the expenses of those liabilities. So we never tell anyone here at Master Investor to live below your means. We actually tell people the very opposite: live above our means, because that way we expand our expenses, we expand our financial education, our investing strategies, we expand our passive income and capital gains income through sound investing. It makes us think and expand outside the box, get uncomfortable all the time. When we get comfortable, that's when we need to expand, right? We cannot let ourselves get comfortable, because then we're not learning anything. We need to put ourselves in rooms with people that are wealthier than we are, that are doing things that we already want to do, and they're already having success with those things, so that we can take those people and use them as our leverage and mentors, so that we can avoid mistakes and fast track to wealth accumulation. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know in the comment section below. Click the link in the description to join our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, and get a copy of our ebook so that you can start building your asset column with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. And it can be one single product that you don't even touch. It could be a digital product. It could be an affiliate product, somebody else's product. It could be white label, drop shipping through Alibaba. And all we're doing is creating a website, bringing in the leads, turning those leads into sales, grabbing those orders, asking the factories in Alibaba to go ahead and send that product to those customers with our white label, with our branding on it. And all we're doing is grabbing the customer's money and using that to pay Alibaba, and we keeping the rest as bottom line, and we can automate the entire process. So if you want to learn how to create sales on autopilot, start creating an exit strategy from your job. If you want to quit your job, if you do not like your job, If you like your job, then you can still join our community here and take our courses and start building your business after you come home from your job. After you're done with your job, you can start building your digital business, and when you're ready to quit your job at some point, you want to retire, then you can just focus on continue to build that business, because it's going to be creating cash flow already. So by the time you quit your job or you're ready to retire, then that business, if you've done it successfully, if you nurture that business correctly, then you will have a way to just supplement the entire income from your job, and you don't even have to worry about pension, because your assets will take care of you, and that's the whole point. So worry about the 4 pillars of an extraordinary life to focus on our every day, and that is health, wealth, love, and happiness. When we contribute something to the world, then we become happier and we have more love. So what is our contribution to humanity? Start thinking big, start thinking to solve other people's problems, because the more generous we are, the wealthier we become. Become wealthier by being more generous and solving other people's problems. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for listening and being a partner, a master investor. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.